In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto in Trust Wallet. If you're looking to convert your digital assets to your local currency and want an easy and secure way to do it, you're in the right place. First things first, let's get started by opening your Trust Wallet app. Once you have it open, you'll notice a variety of features laid out before you, such as send, receive, swap, buy in AEA, and sell. Each of these features plays a crucial role in managing and transacting your cryptocurrencies, but today our focus will be specifically on the sell option. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap on Sell. This is where you initiate the process of converting your crypto into fiat currency. Now that you're on the Sell page, the next step is to pick the crypto coin you currently own and wish to sell. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported currency, the choice depends entirely on what you have in your portfolio. After selecting your cryptocurrency, you'll need to enter the amount you'd like to sell. In my case, I don't have sufficient funds to proceed to the next step, but if you have enough crypto in your wallet, be sure to input the amount carefully. Double-check to confirm it's the correct amount, as errors in this stage can lead to unwanted results. It's important that your wallet is adequately funded, otherwise the transaction may not be processed. Provided that you have enough funds, the next prompt will let you select a ramp provider. A ramp provider basically acts as a service to convert your crypto to fiat money and transfer it to your bank account or preferred payment method. Choose the provider that best fits your needs. It's wise to do a bit of research beforehand or read reviews on the available options so that you can make an informed decision about which ramp provider offers the best terms and fees for your transaction. Following your choice of a ramp provider, simply follow the prompts on your screen. The instructions will guide you step by step to complete your transaction. This might include verifying your identity or entering additional payment details. Trust Wallet aims to make this part as straightforward as possible, but always take your time to ensure every detail is correct to avoid any issues. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully sell your crypto and receive your funds. Remember, it's crucial to stay informed about transaction fees and security features as you go through this process. That's it for today's guide. Selling crypto on Trust Wallet can be a simple task if approached with care and attention. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.